Hey guys, Jeremy here, Precision Sales. I'm one of the designers, and today I'm just going to show you what we're doing when we ask for your tack setback and why it's a really important measurement. So essentially, when we ask for the tack setback, all you're going to do is take your measurement tape here and just measure from the aft side of the mast to wherever your tack attachment is, whether it's a shackle or a pin. And we want that to be fairly precise because we're going to be cutting back a little bit in your sail. And if you're, depending on what kind of sail you have, maybe you have a furling boom, even if you don't use it, it could set your tack several inches back. So you can see this gentleman here, he's got a beautiful warp drive sail, there's a red tuxedo, and if you look, you can see that we've just cut back from where the bolt rope is, where the sliders are going, and we've just notched it back a bit. So when the ass faced the mast, I can tell you that when he measured it, it was probably about 6 or so inches from where the sliders are, because that's where the mast was going to be. And he would have placed this ribbon just at the aft face of the mast, measured out to the tack point, and that allows us to put this ring in the correct spot. If he'd measured at only 2 inches or so, then of course the ring would be a little bit further forward. If it was a little bit further back, then we would be notching this out further back and giving the ring more space. That's essentially why we need the tack setback. It's a really important measurement. Obviously, if it's off by a half an inch, it's not such a big deal. The ring will be able to support it. But if it's off by a couple inches or a foot, well, then we're talking about big issues. So, anyways, yeah, thanks a lot.